Hey, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for subscribing to the YouTube channel Chris Sells Cars. This is Chris O'Gene reporting once again for the channel with a beautiful 2026 Toyota Sienna Limited all-wheel drive. And this one is in the wind chill pearl, which is a lovely creamy white color with a little bit of glimmer in it. It has the LED projector beam headlights as well as the LED fog lights right there, all right, with a little bit of a frosted accent on the front of it. It has the parking sensors on the front with the automatic braking. It has a radar right behind the logo that co-witnesses with a tiny camera at the top of the windscreen to form your lane tracing assist function. It also has the mud flaps right there, all right? For an all-wheel drive vehicle, that's very, very good. It also has the blinking lane change indicators on the side mirrors, and the side mirrors are power folding mirrors, so they'll fold when you turn the vehicle off. This vehicle also comes with the chrome accents on the handle, as well as the blind spot monitor in both side mirrors, okay? It also comes with a kick sensor, so when you kick, it's gonna open that door right there. It happens on both sides. The vehicle comes with the Java interior. The Java is sort of like a cream and espresso combination. It's a two-tone combination called Java, cream as well as espresso. It has captain's chairs in the middle section with the armrest, and then up to 3 full-size adults in the back there. Really, really beautiful. I'm going to use that kick assist function again to close that door. And then on the front, you come in here. It has the power chair with the lumbar support, that two-tone. This is heated and perforated, so it's both heated and cooled, ventilated, all weather mats throughout the vehicle. And then you can see that espresso and cream treatment on the door panel as well. Really, really good. It has memory setting for up to 2 drivers. And then it has your 12.3-inch touchscreen display. It has the digital rear view mirror with 3-car garage transponder, and it can go from digital to analog as well. You have your SOS button for your connected services, Safety Connect, Remote Connect. The vehicle can remote start. It also has the JBL sound system throughout the vehicle. And it has the wireless Qi charger to wirelessly charge your devices. It also has the different driving modes, which is really, really cool because if you put this vehicle in eco, you'll save a little bit of gas. It can go into sport mode, normal mode, and eco mode as well. And they're all color coded so that you can keep up with what's going on. Again, the JBL sound system throughout the vehicle, which is really, really cool. And then you have the heated steering wheel as well. In the back there, the captain's chairs. It also has the moonroof right there. So this is really a loaded vehicle for all kinds of family use, travel, and that sort of thing. I'm gonna come all the way to the back. It has the roof rack, moonroof. You can put crossbars right there. And I really like the way it's treated. Look at this. This combination is really good. You have hybrid electric vehicle, all-wheel drive, Sienna Limited, and you can see the parking sensors on the vehicle that aid in the automatic braking of the vehicle, both front and back. And it has the kick sensor in the back as well as the one-touch opening in the back there. And then you can see the back row with the headrests, and there's a spare tire. This one comes with the spare tire as well. There's a spare tire right behind here, first aid kit, Lots of space for all of your belongings, your tools in there. You have a 3-prong outlet to power up your devices right there. Really, really a nice vehicle. All right. Push one button there. And if you'd like this in your driveway, you definitely want to call Chris O'Gene as soon as possible at 202-607-9517. Again, this is the brand new 2026 Toyota Sienna Limited all-wheel drive in windshield pearl with the Java interior. And you want to call Chris O'Gene, 202-607-9517. Thank you and have a fantastic day.